this is Indu. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will cover solid principles. So it's a very important question in a .NET interview. So if you're fresher or experienced, this question is the most important question. और आज हम इसका फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल डिस्कस करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल लाइक हाउ वी कैन इम्प्लीमेंट single responsibility principle. So firstly you have to know what is a solid principle. So solid principle is a set of 5 rules or principle where it helps to developer to write a clean, maintainable and testable code, so that we can easily extend and easily maintain and easily test our code. So there are 5 types like a single responsibility principle, open close principle, इंटरफेस सेग्रीगेशन प्रिंसिपल और डिपेंडेंसी इन्वर्जन प्रिंसिपल. तो आज हम जो करेंगे वो है सिंगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्रिंसिपल. इट मीन्स अ क्लास शुड हैव ओनली वन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड वन रीजन टू चेंज. Means I can explain you with the help of example. So we go to here. So here we have a multiple classes. You can see here we have a multiple classes, but this employee classes we can add only the details that this employer want. Not we are here, we can't add the details of like order. हमने यहाँ पे order की डिटेल नहीं ऐड की, हमने सिर्फ यहाँ पे employees. तो यही हमारा फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल है कि हमने अपनी क्लास को इस तरह से डिफाइन करना है. उसकी एक ही अगर हमने यहाँ पे कुछ फील्ड यहाँ पे ऐड करनी है दैट आर रिलेटेड टू दिस एम्प्लॉयर क्लास, नॉट अ अदर टेबल. लाइक इफ आई ऐड हियर public email service, so this is a not part of this. If I added here email service, so here we can't follow the first principle, single responsibility principle. So like that way we need, when वी आर मेकिंग अ क्लास, हमें ये फॉलो करना है कि हमें जो भी क्लास बनानी है उसकी एक सिंगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो. अगर हमें इसमें से कुछ चेंज करना हो तो वो रिलेटेड हो एम्प्लॉय का. अगर एम्प्लॉयर में हमें एम्प्लॉय की आईडी यहाँ पे सेव करानी है देन वी कैन सेव द एम्प्लॉय आईडी, but that won't this table. The responsibility and single reason to change. A class should have, so this is the meaning. It means a class should have only the single responsibility and single reason to change. So you can see here we have only added the fields that want in address table. So everywhere every table have that fields that they actually want. So if we put a extra or that not really want to this, so it that time we are reaching the single responsibility principle. So it's a very important question in .NET interview. I hope you are understand how it works. So it's a simple definition. A class should have only the single responsibility or single reason to change. One class should only do a one job only. It improves our code readability, make our application easy to understand or maintain, because we are every class have only the single responsibility. It reduce risk of bugs when change, if we want a multiple changes, so we have to idea like this class only the fields related to this table, and it reduces the risk of bugs when changes we can do changes, and it helps for a unit testing, and it also support a clean architecture and onion architecture. So this is first part. In the second we will cover open close. पे यही है सॉलिड प्रिंसिपल हमने किया. सॉलिड प्रिंसिपल का एक सिंपल है, अपने कोड को रीड मेंटेनेबल और इजी टू टेस्ट मेंटेन करने के लिए कुछ हमने प्रिंसिपल बनाए हैं, उसको हमने इम्प्लीमेंट करना है जब भी हम कोई भी वेबसाइट या एप्लीकेशन बनाते हैं. तो आज हमने कवर किया अपना फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल, दैट इज अ सिंगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्रिंसिपल. इट मीन्स अ क्लास की एक ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है और उसका एक ही रीज़न है चेंज करने का. A class should do only one job, so it will helps to improve our code readability, makes our application bug free, easy to test, and helps in the unit testing, and it will support a clean architecture. We can easily implement an onion architecture. So this is done for today classes. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you this video will be helpful for you, please like, share and comment below.